Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch the Azul Crab in Fish It game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The last update is Observatory Rebuilt, and from this update, we get new quest which is called the Research Quest. And to complete this quest, as you can see, that we need to catch Azul Crab. You can catch it around Planetary Observatory during a storm. So you need to wait for the storm to come to the game. And now it's stormy time, so we can start to fish here at the Planetary Observatory like this guys, and this is a legendary fish, so you need to use the best rod that you have. For me, I'm using the Aries rod because I haven't unlocked the ghost fin rod yet. And wait, let me show you how the Azul Crab looks like. Okay, this one in 8K, and you can only catch this crab during the storm. And to complete this quest, we need to catch 3 Azul Crab and also 2 Hyper Jelly, and we will get Bobber Skin. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the Azul Crab in Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.